In this video, I want to show you how you can check your FPS in games. For this, all you need to do is open your browser and type download MSI Afterburner in the search bar and go to this website. And all you need to do is click on this section to download. All you need to do is install the program. Here's a tip. Make sure to check the Tuner box. Then install the Tuner program in the same way. After MSI Afterburner is installed, all you need to do is click on the Settings section. And here, all you need to do is go to the Monitoring tab. And here, all you need to do is look for frame rate. And here, you need to check the frame rate box and select Show in On-Screen Display. All you need to do is click on Apply, and then hit OK, and you need to restart your system once for the changes to take effect. After your system restarts, for example, I'll run a game so you can see the settings applied. It's that easy. You can see your FPS in all games.